Hello everyone, I'm Su Tang, a sales manager of Wayon Stone. Today, I will show you our processing bases here. Right now, I'm standing at YunFu City, Guangdong Province. So here it is the gate of our processing bases, Wayon Stone. Okay, follow me please.
Our Wayon stone processing base covers over 6,500 square meters, 4 workshops in this factory. We have more than 20 advanced processing equipment. Most of them are from Italy and Taiwan. The most important equipment that we use for cutting I want to introduce you is this one, CNC cutting center with 5 interpolatic axes. The model number is Jet625 CNC. It is from Italy company Donatoni. This machine is really amazing. It can cut any design of the product. So it is easy for us to solve the difficulties of the producing industry. Here is the screen of the machine. It has a camera and scan the stone which is ready to be cut. We can set how to cut the stone here, then start it, so it can cut automatically. Not only it can cut straight, but also round, beveled, and any different shape. This is beveled, you can see. It is really difficult to cut like this, but by using this machine, we can make efficiently and precision cutting. This is the round table cutting by this machine too.
Here it is our cutting area. Behind it is a normal cutting machine. You can see right now we are cutting the back plate. This machine can cut any size of the countertop. As our slab size, it is 3.2 by 1.6 meter. So within this size, we can cut any design. This is the backslash cutting. Okay, here is our fabricating area. You can see our worker is working on the countertop making. So here, follow me, you can see we are combining the edge. This is double east edge finish. So the first step we have, after we cutting the countertop pieces, we use the glue together. This is the glue. We match the color. You can see this is the glue. And we put the glue on the edge which have to be east. And then combine the small piece together. After we making the glue, combine the two pieces together, we use this tool, the F2, to make our auto polish machine. You can see here, after we finish making the edge, and then we put the countertop to polish the edge. This machine is bought from Italy. So you can see here, follow me. Polish in the machine. It is auto, no need polish by hand. The polish quality is really good and better than the hand polishing. You can see after this piece, come out, you can see the edge, the polish edge. Okay. After we finish this side to polish, and then we change another side. No need to take this piece by hand. We have this tool to change the side. You can see. After we have this machine, we make the countertop polish the machine very quick. No need to waste much time to finish the edge. Okay, you can see. How to fabricating the other side of the edge. So this is the island top we are making. As you know, this is the edge in another edge. It is 45-degree mighty edge. You can see here. And we combine two pieces together. After we combine foam it, we will polish the edge by hand. This island top it is about 1.3 meters wide, and it's the size we can make. After we fabricating the countertop in our workshop over there we just introduced, we will check the countertop, the quality of the countertop here. So this is the well making countertop here, and we clean the surface and the edge here and make sure the countertop is very good quality. So you can see the worker is cleaning the surface. This color it is Carrara white. So it is a really beautiful color, and our customer prefer their customer to use this color very well. Okay, after we examine the countertop, the good quality countertop will pack in the wooden crates here. We will make a very safe crate to pack our countertop to make sure all of our product is safe after our customer receive the product. So you can see this crate is very strong. After we put all the countertop in the crate, we make the countertop full view with the. You can see this is well packaged. We will make a mark every countertop what it is packing in the wooden crate to let our customer to know what it is this crate packing. Okay, so this is all we pack. This crate are ready to load in a 40 cc container. In this area, it is our wooden crate stock area. So after our product, our countertop and mini top, and the product which well packed in our packing area, we will stock the crates here, and when waiting for the container to load all of the crates in the container. So you can see we pack the crate is very strong. It is not easy to break. When I shaking, I use all of my powder to shaking this wooden case. I cannot move. So after we loading the crate in the container, it is also very strong and cannot move the area in the container. So our customer will receive the product very safe. Yes. Here it is our sample area. You can see there are many samples on my designing, and we have made all of our colors to a small piece of sample in order to send our customer easily. So this, for example, we made the Calcutta color in a size of 200 by 100 millimeter, and the thickness is only 7 millimeter. So it is not heavy for our customer to take these small pieces. In this sample, we made a stick. We stick a mark in our sample bag side. You can see this is the whole slab design, and there are the color name and the code number. You can see this sample. We have some what's the design on this small sample. And another time, this is the multicolor. We also made the stick on the back side. You can see this color. It is 100 by 100 millimeter, and the thickness is also 7 millimeter. So it is not heavy to take. And if you want to get some of our color sample, you can contact us, and we can send to you. It is not heavy, so the charge of express is not much. Okay, we have many colors for you to choose to select for your house, for your project, and so on. This is a small showroom of our factory. So you can see there are many samples in the wall here. No matter we can produce countertop in custom, but also we can produce vanity top and anything customized for projects. And such as this is vanity top, we can make any design of the vanity. So this is one type, and this is the other. And we can cut any design of the sinkhole. And like this one, it is a special one design. So this is for artificial custom fabricating products. But also we can make the artificial behind me. It is our small showroom in factory. So you can follow me to see our small showroom. In this showroom, we show the custom vanity top and some of the custom slabs, small piece slabs, and the terrazzo furniture, terrazzo vanity. Okay, let's move to our artificial custom vanity top. We can fabricate any design of the vanity. You can see this is square sinkhole. This is round sinkhole. We can make L-shaped design. We can produce any design of the countertop and vanity top. Just send us the drawings that your project needs, so we can quote to you and supply you a good quality countertop finished product. And besides, we are fabricating many terrazzo furniture. So here it is the round table. This is made by our terrazzo. So this is round shape. This is a small one. Besides, this is the furniture, and this one it is our vanity that made by Toronto. This is very popular design. You can see this is this is made by our in our factory. This is the backsplash. Okay, do you think it is very beautiful? And no matter we can do this, but we also do many designs. So if you have any question or you have any design, just send us, just contact us. We will serve you very well in a good price and a good quality product. So it is all for our fabricating factory introduction today. Welcome you to visit after this kind of fair. See you!